Kids Sight TV. Hello friends. Today we're going to learn how to count numbers 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, it's the number 1. Can you say 1? Great job. 1 is the first number. Here comes the number 2. Can you say 2? Awesome. Number 3. Can you say 3? Fantastic. Number 4. Can you say 4? Awesome. Number 5. Can you say 5? Good job. Next is number 6. Can you say 6? Well done. Here comes number 7. Now can you say 7? Good job. Number 8. Can you say 8? Awesome. Number 9. Can you say 9? Good job. Number 10. Can you say 10? Well done. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,